Hi, today we're working on a clogged Maytag dishwasher. We unplugged it, turned it on its back. Let's figure out what's going on here. An F9 E1 fault shows up on the display, which most likely indicates a clog somewhere in the machine. Okay, we have a plug up in the pump. So we can press this release here and then rotate it counterclockwise, pulling the electrical portion off, and then we can peek inside this assembly and see with some lighting a whole bunch of buildup in there. Okay, this is the T20, so you want to take out both of those. This one and the other one's back here.
Go ahead, keep going.
Set this here. Okay, now pop this.
Pop this usually by hand.
We need to disengage that square bar from this molding, and to do that we need to move it this way, and I'm pointing. And to do that, these two 5/16" hex screws need to be removed. So with those two out, okay, so
then you gotta slide this over. See that?
okay, we're gonna slide this
Get this metal piece out.
right there. Yeah, get this free of the plastic. Okay,
Then you pull this.
Okay. Now that being done, now this will pull down. So up above there in that gray housing is where our clogged part is. Reach down in there, pull it out. First there's a couple of rings, and there it is. And it's messed up. So this isn't supposed to happen in these dual power filtration machines, and we're going to be looking into what we might do differently to prevent it. While it's fresh in our minds, we're going to show how this goes back together. There's that ring, plastic ring, then there's a metal ring that goes inside of that. Then comes our problem part, and there's a keyed slot in there. It's keyed, so you have to make sure that's in the slot. So, and that'll get pushed back up into this housing. So this is a very, very fine screen. You can see the water running through it. Got it. Just a little demo here of how you twist this assembly off and then back on the rail. So if you're putting it back on, it just goes on there. Okay,
now you should be able to line it up. Might be easier if I fell.
Can you kind of see right here? Right here you can see that it's lined up. And once you've got that lined up, then you can put this back.
Okay.
So now I'll put these screws back in. Get them in here so we can keep it in orientation. Okay, we got one pretty much all the way in. Okay, and get this other one in the back and then. Okay, you got it back in the rail. Now we got to gently refix the. You're off, I think. Yeah, it's going back there. There. Okay, this is off, but bring it up. There.
Now we can get this guy. Oh no.
Okay, get that back in the hole there. Yeah. Now the 2 screws can go in. Got it? Okay. Good. Okay, now we'll get the machine back upright, plug it in, and run a test. Now for this test, we're not hooking up the drain hose back to the plumbing. We've got it just into a bucket so we can verify that it is draining. Okay.
That's significantly faster.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.